To download any application in Play Store or App Store that doesn't want to download on your phone. For example, this application, I want to download it, but as you see right now, when I click install, what will show me can't install Tango, try again, and okay, I will say just got it. And right now I will just go directly to my Google Chrome or Google or any navigator, and I will come to the search bar, and I will click download Tango. Then the result, they will show me many result. I will scroll down until I found this site, up to down. So click, and right now click here, download. It's on Arabic, guys, here, but just if you found this icon, just click on it. And here also download with the green color, and I will wait little. Right now it will show me this message. I will set just download anyway, and the APK, it will start downloading. If I come right now, guys, to the downloads list, I will find it. Right now we just click on it like this and click here, and as you see, it's starting. Click install right now. As you see here, it's downloaded. I will just click down, and I will check if this app it's really downloading. As you see, Tango, I will open it right now, and as you see here, it's working. Yeah, so it's working correct, guys. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in another video.